spraying, I think, because if you do painting, it's a bit difficult. It's already been. You have to.
I mean, just here open.
Oh yeah.
bersihin.
No need to clean.
No need to clean.
If
Okay.
yeah, just put oil.
Just put it
Just
on.
put
Yeah,
oil.
to maintain it will be more easy.
Okay, I'll just keep boiling it. That's
Oh,
fine.
yeah.
Yeah, we're good.
Is that silicone bottles?
Huh? That's mine. I'm gonna take it to the fire.
So now, except that you do over there.
Yeah, let's do it again. There is this, and it's all.
Match.
Yes.
I think we follow the existing, so it's not too much component for the wood color. From don't get to So make it similar, the same way like that.
And then also with the plants growing. So we have plastic and wood and some plants.
Understand?
Plant are inside
Huh?
under the roof.
Between
Yeah.
between the
roof and the ceiling.
So they still get the sun.
Yes.
And then I was thinking this one, I was going to make something. But I also like, there's a little bit of sun. It comes in the morning, which is nice from here. So I thought if we cover it like that, it would be darker. So maybe the middle one is,
Just transparent.
Okay. So maybe like something like some kind of skylight. So
skylight feeling.
give you sample first. What type of stone that may be matched with this design? Yeah. So we add stone here for the passage goes to the small bedroom. This is gonna be the kitchen part.
Yeah, so you don't have your toilet next to the kitchen.
Okay, that's
So
gonna
we
be
have-
there, everything like the toilet and sink.
And a sink for washing your hands, right?
Uh-huh.
It can be really small.
Yeah.
And just there.
Yeah, we will measure that one.
And then when you have a door here, you can also go to your toilet
So
here.
it's like twin toilet.
Yeah, two sides.
But then you keep the shower.
Yeah, we're just gonna make this
Joint
one.
venture.
Kitchen with shower.
You mean
Okay.
two door?
You
Yeah.
smoke and you feel hot. Okay, shower. Okay, cool and okay, cool.
And then
So,
So today we get a calculation price for the final quotation for Miss Amara after we evaluate the project yesterday. So we already discussed with with her. Many things changed, but actually it's getting closer with the final price. So we will develop some design after the project goes. So it's just like we're doing some renovation first, and at the same time we make some design for the new kitchens and many like she said to us also he gonna make a small joglo there. I think that's it. Let's check the progress, and I hope we can deal the project soon.
guarantee 60 days.
The payment term is like this. The first you have to pay around 50% of the value from the project. Then after the progress reach 50% or more, then will be request the termin. First termin is 30%.
So 30%.
Then the rest will be 20% after all the project complete.
So 30, 20, and then all?
50, 30,
Oh.
20.
Oh, 50, 30, 20.
Yeah.
So
that's it.
half in the front.
Yeah.
Yep.
Because starting the progress, we have to buy all the material. That's the things that we have to set up first.
Okay.
Because about the additional, we will add that later. As the project goes, we evaluate the design together. Like you said about the water floats to here.
That one cannot be just easily. We're gonna talk about that, right?
That's the
And then we're gonna hold off on the kitchen and hold off on the
Small joglo.
Small joglo.
okay, correct. I can assist you with the design later.
Yeah.
It's more good if you have a proper design first about the
Yeah.
kitchens, about the material, so you can see everything
Yeah. So we're gonna
before you
wait,
decide to
and we
go.
just do this one first.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, no problem.
The thing is about the leak is I think we have to go there if we have a permission from the landowner.
Well, they're working now, and I saw some people are working behind right now. So maybe we can talk to them. Before, in the history, people from this house many times has talked to them, and then even calling the police and getting really upset.
Oh,
So,
different thing.
but I'm thinking because they are trying to make them pay, right?
Okay.
So if we have a not too
Yeah, yeah.
expensive solution and
Yeah,
we
yeah.
pay,
We will.
I don't think they will
Yeah. Objected.
object.
Usually in the morning, start from 8 or 9, they will start with working, and so my head will be a head of the worker. Will be stay here, will supervise everything. So and also our team will be maybe twice a week or 3 times a week will come here to evaluate everything. If it's already in
So there's one supervisor always here.
for sure. We already have the sign for the contract, and soon we're gonna start the job. So Hitot Ari will be here to set up everything here. And of course, thank you for Miss Amara that has been trusting the job for us.
Yes.
It's been an honor for us, and we will do everything on the schedule, and we supervise everything.
Thank you.
I'll be satisfied.
Okay, yeah, anything you need, you can contact me or my staff or Andrew,
Yeah, Andrew. Yeah.
even my staff and
Yeah, Hitot Ari and Yogi will be visit maybe 3 times a week, and
Yeah.
Hitot Ari will be
Daily.
for sure here, completing the project.
you the man now.
Yes, the man behind the
Your
gun.
person. Okay. Yeah, this is for you.
Yeah.
This is already we already signed. We have all this the paraf here. We
Yeah.
call it, and also this has been signed with our worker, head of the worker.
Okay, so tonight I'm gonna make the deposit of this one, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I make a group chat between us?
Yeah.
You can add Andreas here also.
Yeah, yeah.
So that in the group will be me on all the team there, and you
Yes.
have your team
Let's
there.
do that.
So we can easily discuss together if there's a problem in the field. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and then sometime Andrew maybe is here.
Yeah.
And then,
Yeah.
Just put Andrew to the group. That's okay.
Yeah.
It's better. Like
Okay.
Maybe we
tomorrow-
drop the
material
like
first.
hard
Drop
material
material
like
tomorrow.
cement.
So
sand.
we receive the down payment. The Hitot Ari will be
Okay,
set up.
tonight,
Yeah.
and then start to get the material.
Get material
And then
tomorrow.
Wednesday is the blessing here.
Wednesday,
Yeah, we
the team will come.
We here.
Okay.
Yogi and Ari will
Yeah.
come, and also with Adi will make a video for you. Oh, so that's our service. You satisfied, and we are guarantee. Yeah, we get a
Okay.
promotion from Miss Amara.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, finally we have a deal with Miss Amara for renovation project for the villa that Miss Amara already rent there in Padang Linjong. So after all the design complete for the revise everything, we have make some setup and based on the budget also we try to provide the best for our client for sure. So the contract has been signed. Have you guys have seen that on the previous video, and we ready to start. Actually today Jitu Ari, the head of the tukang, he's gonna supervise all the project there. This morning, all the material has been delivered there, and the tukang or the worker has been set up all the progress for the work. And basically, in general, this project is all the part that we change. There's a small part like for the electrical, the renovation for the roof part, and the major job is making the bedroom for the small villa to be ready to use from the outside and use from the inside of the villa, because her son gonna stay there. So Miss Amara's son's gonna stay there, and that's gonna be the bedroom for him. Okay guys, I think that's it for the review for the project, and we hope everything goes as our plan and the client is satisfied with the result. Let's see how it goes for the next video. Stay tuned in the Gauri Art Division studio.